walking to the train station now. I'm still like 10 minutes away. I'm really cold. It probably doesn't help that my hair is like still damp because I can never get ready for anything on time. I'm going on my own, which is kind of lonesome, but you know, it's going to be a really good time anyway. The last time I was rushing like this to the train station was the last time that I went to Boston for a concert, which was all J, and I went with my friend Ryan. And it was even colder than it is now. It was like in November or something like that. And he was so afraid we were going to be late. And he was like rushing me. He's like 6.5 feet tall, so he has these long ass legs. And so he's like running the entire time. And there was absolutely no way I could keep up, but I was trying. That was probably like the most intense workout of my entire life. So I think I'm going to try to take this walk a little bit easier. It's a nice walk anyway, and it's a nice city. I actually performed here once for one of my dance classes. It was really intensely awkward. So the train is running a little bit late. Hopefully I don't miss Chelsea's set. Fingers crossed. I know the universe won't let me miss this.
Rich boy, silly, quick, niggas.
What a gloomy day in Boston it is. But I am here. And I'm on my way to the venue now. The train, as I said, is running a little bit late, but not as late as projected, so making a pretty good time. I'm excited. Just bought a Cadillac. Just bought a Cadillac. Just bought a. I'm at the venue, but I kind of want to cry a little bit because they confiscated some valuables. But the first band goes on at 7:30, and then Wolfe goes on at 8:20. So I'm just chilling till then. I finally made it back to my dorm. It's been a long night. I stopped recording the concert because my phone decided to drop from like 50 or 60% battery to like 20% battery in the span of like 5 minutes. So I really needed that battery power to like find my way back from Boston. But I did, and I made it back to my abode with a 1% battery, which I'm pretty proud of. But the concert was amazing. There was one band that opened up for Chelsea Wolfe and Ministry, and they were okay. But they were fine. And then Chelsea performed, and I squeezed my way to the front. I didn't even have to push anybody. I really just easily found my way. Not right to the front, and I had like this one really tall dude in front of me, but I was pretty close to the front, and she was magical, and I cried. I missed Ministry's last couple songs because I had to go catch the train. Was it worth getting my stuff taken away? Stuff can be replaced, and you know, memories last. I mean, it kind of like ruined my mood a little bit for a while, but then once Chelsea Wolfe came on, I was just, I don't know, revived and very, very emotional. Ministry was brutal. I was never really a big fan of them, but they put on a really, really good show, and I wish I could have seen the finale. It was a very political show. I would only say that I wish I didn't have to see so much of Donald Trump's ugly face during my concert experience, but rock music has always been about radical political statements, so there's nothing new there, and they've been doing this for 20 years. The band has been doing this for 20 years. Rock has been doing it since time immemorial. It was a really cool show. A couple of weird guys were talking to me, and that made me feel a little bit unsafe. I mean, like, I felt fine the entire way there and back and at the place. Like, I never felt really unsafe, but, you know, you really, like, as a young woman, on your own in a strange city with very little phone battery, you really have to be, like, on your guard and, you know, just aware of your surroundings. So that I am at all times, constant vigilance. I was between getting a t-shirt or a vinyl, but I figured like you can get a vinyl whenever, like on Amazon or wherever, but you can only get a tour t-shirt like on tour, or unless you like find it. I got this Chelsea Wolfe shirt, and it says something cool on the back also, just to, you know, commemorate my little solo trip out to Boston. I'm kind of proud of myself. It's not something that's within my comfort zone, traveling to a city by myself, going to a concert by myself, any of that. So I'm glad that I did it, and even if I did feel a little bit lonely or awkward at times, I was there for the music, and I enjoyed the music a whole lot. Now I am going to eat some Doritos and watch some cartoons because I'm so tired and I have class tomorrow. So I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope that I was able to capture some interesting things, and I hope to see you guys on my channel for my next video. I'm not really one to say this kind of thing because promoting myself makes me gag, but if you like this video, give it a like, and if you're into what I do, then consider subscribing and seeing more of what I do. That'd be really cool. So that's it. Have a great night or day or whatever time it is. Did my eyebrow come out? Yeah, kind of did. Or whatever time of day it is for you guys. So yeah, bye.